Hello you guys, here today on Octavia Beauty. I am about to give you guys my May favorites. I know I'm a little late. We're almost about 2 weeks into June. But however, today we're about to sit back, relax, and enjoy some of the products. I'm going to share with you guys some of the products that I have enjoyed in May and products I feel like definitely needed to make it into the May favorites vlog. So, you know what? Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so my first favorite product is going to be my Dyson hair dryer, you guys. And I diffuse my hair with this. I love this thing because it's so lightweight. It's super expensive. Don't think that you have to purchase it if you don't already have it, but I love it. You guys know I have low porosity hair. It takes my hair forever to dry. And even after I use my Dyson, like, I don't dry my hair all the way. It's still sometimes wet. Sometimes I get on camera, I'm filming, my hair is wet. But this has made my life a lot easier because it's lightweight and it's just easier for me to diffuse it. And who doesn't like this? Like, who doesn't enjoy it? It's magnetic. Who don't enjoy that? I love this dryer. It just has made my hair washing process a lot easier, being able to diffuse it. And the other one that I had was kind of heavy, so this one being lightweight is just a lot more easier for me to maneuver. I love that product. If it's on your list to buy, try to buy it when Sephora have their VIB sale so you can get it 20% off. Another product I recently purchased was Cinema Secrets. So this is like a little brush cleanser, and I purchased this size, which is a travel set, because I wanted to try it out. But when I tried it out, you guys, I had so many brushes that need washing. I used the entire thing in one time washing all my brushes. I even posted up a short video on my YouTube, and I posted a full video on my Instagram. So if you're interested in to see kind of how it works and how you use it, go follow me on my Instagram. You're going to see me using it on one of my Instagrams. It's on my feed. You're going to see it on my feed. You're going to see me using it anyway. So after I purchased that one, I went back and I purchased this one, which is a little bit bigger than that one, but this stuff is expensive. So I'm hoping that this one can hold me over until Sephora have their VIB Rouge sale. And I'm going to buy the really big one on sale. But yeah, I kept this one because I feel like, you know, if you're going on the road or something, like, this is like really easy to just refill when I get the big one. So, you know, it's always good to have little small containers like this you could take with you. And then they give you this little tin that you can also just dip your brushes into and just, you know, clean your brushes. So I think this product is super amazing. I love that it cleans my brushes. However, it does say it will stain your white brushes, and so I'm gonna try not to buy too many white brushes. But I don't have like super expensive brushes. I have one Sonia G brush, no Wayne guys, nothing. That I have a lot of Morphe brushes, some Luxie brushes, some Shop Miss A brushes, some Eco Tools brushes, just, you know, just little brushes like that. And I don't mind using it on those brushes. But if you are using Sonia G, Wayne guys, Chikuhodo, all those expensive brushes, you might want to just stick to the soap and water method. But to me, that saving time is so much more valuable. Sometimes when it comes down to saving money, I would rather save my time. So another product that I received in my BoxyCharm, I forget which BoxyCharm. This may have been my May or my April BoxyCharm, but it's the Earth Harbor's Aurora Superfood Luminous Ampere. It is a sea greens and cannabis stevia hemp, and this is a oil. I don't want you guys to think, oh well, you know, this is a serum. This is not a serum. This is definitely an oil. And I only use this at nighttime. I do not use this under my makeup because it is definitely an oil. But however, when you use like a mask or something and it sucks everything out of it, when you're really clarifying and cleansing your skin, this right here definitely puts moisture back into my skin. And it also does not break my skin out. My skin is not sensitive to this product at all. And you guys can see, like, it was full. I have been using this. It doesn't take a lot, but I definitely use it. I definitely enjoy it, and I just feel like it just moisturizes my face. Like, I feel like it's just giving my face something. So I enjoy it. So if you got this in your BoxyCharm, consider yourself as lucky. I hope you enjoy it. Comment down below if you got it, and if you've used it, Let me know if you like it or you don't like it. But for me, like, I really like using it after I use like a super cleansing mask or something that suck my skin dry. To me, this helps plumps, hydrates, and just re-moisturizing my skin. Y'all already know what this next one is going to be. It is my Chanel Les Beige bronzer. I love this bronzer. I had put it up because I was like, you know, I need to use other products, but I pulled it back out. I've been using the crap out of this since I purchased this product. It's definitely my favorite cream bronzer, and I really enjoy it. Chanel definitely needs to come out with some deeper shades, but I definitely enjoy this bronzer, and I know you will too, okay? My next product I have is the Aucoin Foundation Balm, and I got this on sale from Sephora. I have the shade Medium FB11. I am wearing it today. I've been really enjoying this foundation, you guys. It just has been very smooth, very good coverage, you know, more medium to buildable, full coverage, but more medium to full coverage. I definitely been enjoying this foundation. There hasn't been any problems with it so far. I've been testing it out. I've been wearing it, you guys, and I definitely have been enjoying it. So make sure you stay tuned to more favorite videos, you guys. I have so many more products that I wanted to include, but I gotta still test them out. I still got some more products that I am currently using. So next month, hopefully we have a new group of favorites, and I can let you know what products I am enjoying for the month. But I'm definitely still testing out products for you guys. So don't be surprised if you see a product I haul way back when come up, because sometimes it takes me a little while to rotate my makeup. But thank you guys for joining me. Make sure you give your girls a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. And yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys later.